Foudre MLRS 2026. The new era of mobile rocket artillery power. In a world where rapid response and overwhelming firepower define modern conflict, few systems strike as decisively as the 2026 Foudre MLRS. Built to deliver devastating blows and vanish before retaliation, the Foudre isn't just a launcher, it's a battlefield revolution. In 2026, the Foudre Multiple Launch Rocket System, MLRS, has become the new backbone of mobile long-range fire support. Designed for modern high-mobility warfare, this upgraded version integrates advanced smart targeting systems, precision-guided rockets and automated reloading modules, making it a fast-moving nightmare for enemy formations. Mounted on an 6x6 all-terrain armored vehicle chassis, the Foudre can launch 122mm, 300mm and guided missiles with pinpoint accuracy up to 120 km. Its enhanced modular pod system allows switching payloads rapidly, from anti-armor salvos to thermobaric warheads for fortified positions. The 2026 upgrade introduces key innovations: autonomous GPS-INS fire control system with drone synchronization, AI-enhanced target tracking and terrain analysis, self-loading mechanism reducing crew exposure, armor-protected cab with CBRN, chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear, defense. Beyond firepower, its real power lies in mobility. With a hybrid electric engine, run-flat tires, and a stealth IR suppression system, the Foudre MLRS can deploy, strike, and reposition in under 90 seconds, minimizing counter-battery risks. Military forces now rely on the Foudre not only for traditional artillery barrages but also for quick-response strikes, anti-access operations, and multi-domain warfare scenarios. Its plug-and-play architecture allows it to adapt to future smart munitions and network-centric warfare. In short, the Foudre MLRS 2026 is no longer just a rocket truck. It is a precision artillery platform, a tech-driven battlefield commander, and a strategic force multiplier. As conflicts evolve, nations seek systems that can strike hard, move fast, and survive the aftermath. The Foudre answers that call with explosive precision.